In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Substack posts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your work in progress without publishing it, so you can return later and finish with confidence. First, open Substack. Head to the main Substack site in your browser or the app so you're looking at your workspace. This is where all your writing tools live and where you'll start anything new. Next, click Create. You'll typically find this button near the top of the interface. Think of it as your starting gate. Every new piece begins here. Clicking it opens up the options for what you want to draft. Then, click Note. Notes are perfect for quick thoughts, short updates, or ideas you want to develop later. Choosing Note brings up a simple editor designed to let you jot something down fast, without the pressure of formatting a full post. Even if you're ultimately planning a longer piece, using a note is a great way to capture the gist while it's fresh. Now, type any text. Add at least a line. This could be a working title, a sentence that captures the core idea, or even a placeholder like draft for later. The key is to put something in the editor so Substack recognizes there's content worth saving. This small step ensures the system can create a draft version rather than leaving you with an empty page. When you've typed your text, click outside the note area. Simply move your cursor and click in any blank space away from the editor. This action signals to Substack that you're done typing for the moment and triggers a prompt. It's a helpful safeguard so you don't lose your work if you step away. You should now see a message asking if you want to save to drafts. Click Save. This confirms that you want Substack to store your note as a draft. It's a quick, reliable way to make sure nothing gets lost, and it lets you pause without committing to publish. With that, your post is saved in your drafts. You can safely close the window or switch tasks knowing your note is preserved. The next time you come back to Substack, your draft will be waiting for you, ready to pick up where you left off. This simple workflow is great for collecting ideas throughout the day, organizing your thoughts before a longer piece, or keeping a backlog of content you can shape over time. Use it whenever inspiration strikes, and you'll always have a clear, saved starting point for your next publish-ready post.